it, get it.
Wait, where did it? Where is it?
Here it comes.
I don't.
Catch it, Lee. Catch it, Lee, and run, run. Oh. Did he crush it?
So close.
That went a little higher than yours, but
Norton.
I think this one could fly on the sea.
That's a good height. That's a good height for them.
Don't step on the wire.
Oh, honey,
Come on, Nori, good turn.
honey.
What are you saying, babe?
So when we were driving over, and Nora saw like a rocket, not like a plane in the sky,
What? Yeah.
and she said it was her. Where she goes, "That's my rocket."
Wait, which one does he press?
Nori, yours is over here. This is yours.
Which one does he press? This one?
Yep. 10, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Oh my God!
Get it, get it, get it, get
Wow,
it.
that's gonna be so hard.
It's coming right to me. Don't step.
It didn't get.
It's going into the truck. It's going to land in the truck. Oh, no, tree.
Get it.
Oh!
Don't drag it. Don't drag the thing.
You're using the sea motor? I don't want to go out and speed. Let me pack these parachutes and
I did a terrible flight with the B-motor.
yeah, it wasn't enough power, was it?
Yeah, it was
I want to test it because you're in the wind.
Nora, Nora, Nora.
Yo, don't step on everything.
I was looking up and I was like, I don't see it, but it was over there holding landed.
Yours almost hit the ground before the parachute even came out.
I know.
That would have been.
I thought Nora was supposed to have a streamer.
It did, but I decided to go with a small parachute.
That would.
Nora, where are you going?
Oh no, it's not ready.
All right, Pop-Up's got to redo them.
So the-
Yeah.